Quick and easy methods for sharing large files without paying. You've worked on a major project for a while, and now you're ready to share it. File too large to send. Those are the words that sink your heart. Still, don't take this as the last word. You can run across storage issues when sending big files. Thankfully, you may send big files worry-free because there are methods to ensure the message gets to the right person. You need to know how to sharing large files over the internet for free if you collaborate with others or operate virtually. The following methods and advice apply. Take a look. 1. Upload your files to the cloud. For whatever reason, you're probably sharing large files on a regular basis over your email system. Sending big files without keeping them on your device may be possible if your email provider has cloud storage. The feature is already included in Gmail if you use that email service. File sharing service as usual after uploading it, choosing the attachment with the Google Drive button. Utilizing Outlook? That presents no issues. Proceed in Outlook exactly as you would with Gmail and select OneDrive. If you don't use Gmail or Outlook, you might instead use Dropbox, WeTransfer, Hightail, or Box. These sites let you upload big files and then share them with anybody by sending them a link. Though all of these platforms are reasonably priced and have a lot of storage, they are in no way digital asset management systems. It is easy to use, provides activity logging, and can handle several file formats. To new users, though, some of the more sophisticated capabilities may be perplexing. 2. Compress your files. A few clicks will compress a whole folder, which will be quite useful if you need to deliver several files. File compression allows you to choose the channel that big files are transmitted on. Remember, if you're pressed for time, one big file will typically transfer faster than a folder with many smaller files. Lossless compression of files shouldn't cause quality loss while working with branded photos. Customers don't want to view poor graphics, after all. 3. Utilize an expert large file sharing service. Using a professional is occasionally the greatest option when it comes to service quality and business effectiveness. Sending big files inside your company or to outside partners is made simple with this choice. Simply verify if the file sharing service provides these capabilities. The quantity, size, and kind of files you can share, both internally and externally, are all unlimited file sharing. Sending files fast without compromising quality or data. Tools for monitoring and successes in delivery. Encrypt files end-to-end and safeguard them with passwords. Sharing and cooperation are simple both inside and outside. Friendly and understandable user interface. Contains several usage and permission options. Accessible worldwide around the clock. Fantastic client support. 4. Use an FTP server. Whether moving big files internally or externally, the File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is a reliable, traditional approach. Being made especially for transmitting big files, it offers several features that busy marketers may find useful even though it's not the safest approach. File sizes are unrestricted, you can queue, plan, and transfer several files at once. Although FTP is simple to use, setting it up calls for some technical know-how. One drawback of this is that you can't send files if your internet is out. 5. Better still, FTP or HTTP? Though they have somewhat diverse uses, FTP and HTTP file transfers are two of the most often used choices for big file transfers. FTP is for batch uploads and website maintenance. HTTP is for client-end tasks like end users uploading files to the server, including movies and images. Frequently, the developer will upload the files that enable the end user to upload files over HTML/HTTP as well as using FTP. Why the better choice is eShare.ai cloud storage. Many asset companies are storing and exchanging digital assets on eShare.ai more and more in this day of digital information importance. eShare.ai is a single platform for handling several kinds of digital assets, including files, movies, and photos. Its many features distinguish it from basic cloud storage services like WeTransfer, Google Drive, and Dropbox. We think eShare.ai is a better choice for businesses for the following 3 reasons. eShare.ai offers fast search functions and free, real-time document sharing. For companies that produce iterative content, in particular, its version control capability safeguards file integrity. eShare.ai usually includes powerful collaboration tools that let several team members work on the same digital asset. Conclusion. When selecting the best large file sharing service for you and your company, take the following in mind: your security needs, the types of data you need to send, their speed, and the level of support you may require. Don't accept limitations on the size, kind, or number of files you can transfer. You never know how your business needs will evolve.